ce drăguț! Da. E jucăușă? Da, e jucăușă rău?
I've always called my kitten a little toy.
Ce draiba ai văzut? Micuța ei! Bravo! Micuță, da? Miau! Ce frumoasă ești! Ce faci, piță mică? Miau? Miau? Miau! Uite cu urechizile, bravo! Urechizile, bravo! Ce peniță ești, bă!
One day I got the idea to turn her into an actual wind-up toy. I guess that's just the kind of shit my brain comes up with.
Ce drăguță e, uite-o! Dar uite de ce am luat...
Since I don't have a 3D printer, I had to wait a few months to find the perfect mechanism in one of my dumpster diving expeditions. I had to pull this reduction drive out of a discarded baby swing, one that was clearly not meant to be easily disassembled. I mean, just look at how much plastic I had to dig this thing out of.
Ce căreșețe mică!
So the challenge now is simple. Step 1. Build a head and blade. I used the fidget spinner to draw the outline on a sheet of MDF. I then made the shaft out of a toilet paper tube, but then I had to reinforce it with steel mounting tape on both sides. That shaft is a bad mother.
Shut your mouth!
I'm talking about the shaft. You can see me spinning it a lot because I want to make sure it's centered. Well, the gripping part broke, so I had to start all over. And I chose plastic this time instead of cardboard. I also removed most of the cardboard from the shaft to slim it down substantially. General outline was established, so I covered everything in putty. It has to be attached to the animal somehow, so I need to make a harness. I first make a platform for the reduction drive out of a thin, broad piece of wood. I attach a battery and a switch to the motor. Underneath I attach the harness and some padding not to have sharp or edgy things dig into her flesh. Thinking quickly, I construct the actual harness from an already existing harness by joining some of its straps.
Ce simpatică ești tu! Pisici mică. Pisițoc.
I then grinded the keys smooth and gave the harness a test.
Pisici mică. Ce faci tu? Vino cu aici. Așa.
You can see I'm shitting myself laughing, but the cat could bear the brunt of the apparatus. It's just like when you put shoes on them. They don't know how to react. To get good lighting, I had to film her outside, in the park, with the thing on. But since I joined the straps by melting their ends together, the harness broke when first trying to equip her with it. She was also scared shitless to be outside, since she's lived her entire life inside an apartment. I even forgot to cut her nails, so she slashed my nose trying to reach for safety.
Ej, ciuciucăriuță, da? Exact. Cum faci tu? Exact, da, că ești ciuciucărioară. E zi, mă?
But life goes on. I reinforced the straps with staples, I finished painting the whole thing, and I took her out again. She hated this experience even more, and even though I cut her nails this time, she still clawed me the fucking back. But I got my footage, I got my thumbnail, and she's forgiven me already, see?
Cocică mică? Au ce bulgușor.
My initial plan was to film her running on the wheel with this thing on, to appear as though she's powered by it. But she will barely move with it on, so I had to settle for an indoor photoshoot. Now that that's over, let's take one more minute to further appreciate her cuteness. She often sits like this, displaying her little painted mittens. She also makes this adorable, characteristic double squeak that sounds like a car being locked.
Scumpița mea.
Well, that's the video. If you'd like to see me torturing small animals in future videos, please consider supporting me on Patreon.